Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have a little try on haul. I'm not trying everything on because some of it is lingerie, so I'm not trying that on camera, but I have a few sports bras to try on as well because I figured they're kind of just like crop tops really, so that's absolutely fine. But yeah, I've recently joined the gym and I'm looking for some really nice sports bras. Obviously, I am a bigger chested girl and I want some that are going to really support me to make it feel more comfortable for me while I'm doing some exercise. And I figured that there's probably quite a few of you that watch me that are in the same position. So yeah, I thought I'd share with you my thoughts on these ones that I'm going to try on today. So these are from a company called HSIA, which I think is pronounced as the initial. So it looks like this. And these have actually been sent to me. This video is sponsored. However, as always, all opinions will be my own and totally honest. It doesn't make any difference to me whether it's sponsored, gifted, or purchased with my own money. I will always be honest with you. They also sent me a few lingerie items as well, which I will show you, but I'm obviously not going to try those on. So this was the first one, which is just a basic bra really. It's just like a t-shirt bra, but I thought it was really nice. It looks really big and I was like, whoa, but it's actually not. It's actually a perfect size. So yeah, really nice quality though. Beautiful quality bras. A nice amount of padding in there. You know, it's not too much, but there's a nice comfortable amount of padding in there. The boning is really lovely. It feels really nice quality. And also around here it is double stitched. So it doesn't feel like, you know, your boning's going to pop out and then get lost in the washing machine somewhere anytime soon, which always happens to me. Back has 4 clasps on it here as well, and it's obviously this nude colour. So yeah, perfect. I actually needed one just like this for when I do try on hauls, because obviously, you know, you want a nude bra because then you can wear it with any colour, can't you? But yeah, I thought it was perfect. And it's actually a multi-way bra as well, so which again is great for hauls and things like that. So the back you can unclip, and then you can either have it as a racer back, so you can have it like crossed over, or you can have it strapless and you can kind of like strap it all the way around and have it like a strapless bra. Yeah, brilliant. So yeah, there's that one. So this is the first of the sports bras. I love this. I love the colour. This pink is so nice. It's like a really nice baby pink. And then we've got these like crisscross straps at the back just here. This is in a size large, or a Europe 38, as they all are. So I'm just going to try this one on first. So this is what this one's like on. I really like this. It definitely feels really supportive on the chest, which is exactly what I was after. Love the colour, and even though it's this really pale pink, it's not see-through at all. It's actually, I don't know if I can get away with showing you, but it's actually double layered. So we've got this kind of like almost t-shirt bit over the top, or not t-shirt, but crop top over the top. And then underneath there's like an elasticated panel in there as well. And then there's also some cups in there as well. So, you know, you're almost triple protected with this. And the back is so pretty. So this is what the back is like just here. I think it's really cute. This kind of like strap over design. Yeah, really nice. I really like it. And I like it that it's actually quite close here. So you could get away with just wearing this as a top if you wanted to. I'm planning on wearing them as sports bras, but obviously it is a crop top as well. So I also picked this up in a black, so I'll try this one on for you as well so you can see it in a different colour. Okay, so this is the black one on. Really nice as well. I love it. It's exactly the same as the last one, but obviously I just wanted to show you in the black as well. So yeah, I think it's really nice. It fits, you know, fine. No problems at all. It is quite tight, but I want that because obviously, you know, I want the support from it. And then the back again is like this, so exactly the same as the last one that I tried on. But yeah, really nice. And again, you could get away with wearing this as a crop top or a sports bra. And then the last one I have to try on is this one here. So we have a zip on this one, which is going to be so much better because it's so hot today, and trying tight clothes on when it's hot is really quite difficult. So yeah, I'm quite glad that I've got a zip one on next. So yeah, this one is like this. So it's got a zip at the front here. Again, really lovely and supportive on the inside just here. And then the back is slightly crossover, but not quite as much. So we've got like a racer back, and then we've got two little straps there as well. Okay, so this is the last one on. So this is the zip up one. This actually feels really nice and so supportive. It really does feel probably the most supportive out of the three of them. But I do equally like all three of them though. But this one I'd say definitely gives the most support. And then the back is like that. So as I say, you've got the racer back, and then you've got the kind of strappy bits. I can't find them, just here as well. So yeah, again, you could quite easily get away with wearing this as a crop top or as a sports bra. But as I say, I will be wearing it as a sports bra. And then lastly, I have these two bras. So this one, I think they're similar-ish. So this is the first one. So it's a really nice like dusky pink sort of shade. And yeah, it's got this kind of like flower print, almost like lace, that goes just over the centre part of the breast. So yeah, we've got that there, and then obviously we've got this mesh sort of bit just here. I think it's really pretty actually, and again it feels lovely quality, really nice boning underneath the cut and also on the sides there just as well. And again, it has 4 clasps on the back here, so ideal for, you know, if you're a bigger chested girl. And then also is this one here. I love these where they've got like the strap bit just here, because if you've got like a lowish top on and you've got that strap bit showing, I just think it looks really nice. I really do. But yeah, so this one is just sort of your standard lacy design, and as I say, it's got this kind of like cross strap just that kind of goes like that, so just above there as well, and then also has the 4 clasps on it just there. Really nice. I really like the quality of them. They feel really nice quality, a lot better than I was expecting, if I'm being totally honest with you. So yeah, there we go. All items that I have tried on and shown you in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that I can find. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.